Identify this road sign. Flagger ahead sign. A person with a flag or stop slow paddle is controlling traffic ahead. Slow down significantly, be prepared to stop, and follow all their directions carefully before continuing. What road sign is this? Workers ahead sign. Road construction or maintenance workers are present ahead. Reduce your speed, stay alert, and give workers plenty of space as you pass through the work zone. Which traffic sign is this? Interstate route marker sign. You are on a numbered interstate highway. The number on the shield tells you exactly which one. These are the major high-speed highways connecting states across the country. Name this road sign. Off-interstate business route marker sign. Just off the main interstate, there are businesses, fuel, food, and services along this loop or spur. This sign guides you there and back to the interstate without getting lost. Which road sign is shown? U.S. route marker sign. Unlike interstates, U.S. highways pass through cities and towns rather than bypassing them. The number tells you which U.S. route you are on as it connects multiple states. What is this road sign shown? State route marker sign. You are on a state-maintained highway. Every state has its own unique marker shape, so the design changes depending on which state you are driving through. Identify this traffic sign. County route marker sign. The county government maintains this road. These markers typically appear on rural, secondary, or local roads connecting smaller communities away from major highways. Which traffic sign do you see? Forest route marker sign. Deep in or near a national forest, this sign keeps you oriented on roads managed by the U.S. Forest Service, commonly seen near camping, hiking, and recreational areas. What road sign is this? State/local bicycle route sign. Cyclists have an officially planned and approved path here. The state or local government maintains this route to provide safer, dedicated cycling roads. Which road sign is this? U.S. bicycle route sign. Part of a nationwide cycling network spanning multiple states. These routes are carefully planned to give cyclists safe and connected paths across the entire country. What is this traffic sign? Parking area sign. Drivers are permitted to stop and park here, common at rest stops, scenic overlooks, and roadside facilities, where travelers need a break from long drives in the marked area. Can you name this traffic sign? Park and ride sign. Leave your car here and hop on public transportation into the city. These lots exist to reduce traffic congestion by encouraging drivers to switch to buses or trains. Which traffic sign is shown? Bicycle parking area sign. Cyclists can safely lock up their bikes here before heading into a nearby facility or destination. Look for racks or secure enclosures in the marked area. Identify this road sign. Bike route sign. Bicycles have been officially designated to use this road or path. Drivers should expect cyclists sharing the roadway and give them adequate space when passing. What does this road sign mean? Bicycles permitted sign. Cyclists are legally allowed here alongside motor vehicles. Both drivers and cyclists should be aware of each other and share the road responsibly. Which traffic sign is displayed? Pedestrians permitted sign. People on foot are legally allowed to use this road or path. Drivers must watch carefully, reduce speed if necessary, and always yield to pedestrians in the area. What is this road sign? Skaters permitted sign. Inline skaters and skateboarders are allowed to use this road or path. Be aware they can move fast and may be harder to spot than typical pedestrians. Name this road sign. Equestrians permitted sign. Horse riders are sharing this road with you. Slow down, avoid sudden movements, and never honk your horn, as loud noises can easily startle horses and cause accidents. Which road sign is shown? Handicapped accessible sign. People with disabilities can fully access this facility, entrance, or area. Ramps, wide spaces, and other accommodations are available for wheelchair users and others with mobility needs. What road sign is this? Telephone sign. A public telephone is available nearby. Less common now due to mobile phones, but still posted at remote locations and rest stops where cell service may be unreliable. Identify this traffic sign. Hospital sign. Emergency medical care is nearby. In a crisis, follow these signs immediately to reach the nearest hospital without wasting time searching in an unfamiliar area. Which traffic sign is this? Camping sign. Tent camping is available nearby for travelers looking to spend the night outdoors. Commonly found near national parks, forests, and roadside recreational areas. Can you identify this road sign? Trailer camping sign. RVs and trailers are welcome at a facility nearby. Expect hookups and enough space to accommodate larger vehicles that need more room than a standard campsite. What is this road sign? Litter container sign. Trash bins are available here. Dispose of your garbage responsibly instead of littering, and help keep the roads and surrounding environment clean for everyone. Which traffic sign do you see? Gasoline sign. A gas station is nearby where you can refuel before continuing your journey. Usually posted before exits or intersections so you have enough time to decide whether to stop. Name this traffic sign. Food sign. A restaurant or food service is nearby. Helpful for travelers in unfamiliar areas who need a meal stop without having to wander around searching for somewhere to eat. What does this road sign mean? Lodging sign. Somewhere to sleep for the night is nearby. Whether it is a hotel, motel, or inn, follow this sign when you need to rest, especially in rural or unfamiliar areas. Which road sign is this? Diesel fuel sign. Diesel is available at a nearby fueling station. Critical information for truck drivers and operators of diesel-powered vehicles who cannot just stop at any random gas station. Identify this road sign. Alternative fuel sign. compressed natural gas, propane, or another alternative fuel is available nearby. Drivers of non-standard fuel vehicles rely heavily on these signs to plan their routes. What is this traffic sign? EV charging sign. Electric vehicle drivers can charge up nearby before their battery runs low. Plan your stops around these signs on long trips to avoid getting stranded without power. What road sign is this? Tourist information sign. A staffed information center is nearby, where locals can help you with maps, directions, nearby attractions, and accommodation recommendations for the area. Can you name this road sign? Airport sign. An airport is nearby or in this direction. Follow these signs when dropping off passengers, picking someone up, or heading to catch a flight yourself. Name this road sign. Bus station sign. A bus terminal is close by, helpful for passengers looking to board intercity or local bus services and for drivers dropping people off at the station. Which traffic sign is shown? Train station sign. Rail services are accessible nearby. Follow this sign to reach the station, whether you are traveling long distance or just catching a regional commuter train. What is this road sign? Library sign. A public library is in the area. Standard informational service sign helping residents and travelers locate this community resource when they need it. Which road sign is shown? Vehicle ferry terminal sign. Both you and your vehicle can board a boat here to cross a body of water. Check schedules and fees in advance since ferries operate on fixed timetables. Identify this traffic sign. Passenger-only ferry terminal sign. Passengers can board here, but vehicles cannot. If you are driving, you will need to find an alternative route, since your car is not getting on this particular ferry. Which road sign is shown? Exit Gore sign. That triangular painted area between the highway and the exit ramp is off-limits. Never drive through it, stop in it, or back up into it, as doing so is extremely dangerous. Which road sign is shown? Pull-through sign. Drive straight in and exit from the other side without reversing. These spaces are especially useful for large vehicles like trucks and RVs that struggle to back out of tight spots.
That's all 40 information signs. How many did you get right? Comment your score below down finger. Like, subscribe, and don't miss the next challenge. Stay alert and drive safe traffic lights.